Want to know how to invite your friends to share their location with you personally in Instagram Maps? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Instagram application and head towards your DM right here. And right beside your note, you should be seeing your map. So this is the map right here. And now once you have selected map here, you should be provided with your current map. Now in order to invite friends, just simply select this interface right here and drag it. And once you've selected this interface, you should be seeing invite friends. So just simply select invite friends, and here you should be seeing request on your friends. So you can just simply select request, and your request should be sent. So once they accept their request, you should be able to see their location with you only and not others. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.